Hi, and welcome to the How Plant Scientists Work series at Plant Biology 2016 in Austin, Texas. I'm Ian, and I'm here with Susan from the University of Louisiana at Lafayette, and she's going to tell us a little bit about how she works. So, hi Susan, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your background?
Hi Ian, I am a graduate student doing my PhD at the University of Louisiana at Lafayette, and my advisor is Dr. Carl Hasenstein. My project or the research is with desiccation tolerant plant. I work with this fern known as resurrection fern.
Okay.
And it has a unique ability to withstand water stress, and it is not at all well studied, and I just took it up as my project, and I'm trying to understand how does it do it, like how does it withstand such a harsh environmental condition and without any damage. So that's my project.
That's really cool.
Yes.
Okay. I love resurrection plants.
Oh yeah.
And resurrection moss. Those are super, super cool plants.
Totally.
All right. So what's one word that describes how you work?
Like a maniac.
Okay.
Totally. I love to work. Like I am, if there was not this 24-hour thing, I wish I was a robot sometimes, because I can just keep on working. And I think some people find it inspirational and some people find it really irritating. Like, she cannot stop. So.
You're not the only one who wishes there was more than 24 hours in a day.
Seriously. So I guess it's the research. I just love it so much, and it just makes me excited, pumped up every day.
All right, no, that's excellent. All right, so what's a favorite thing that you actually do at work?
A favorite thing that I do at work is work.
All right, just generally, okay.
Yeah.
All right, no, that's fine. All right, and we may know the answer to this already, but what's your favorite plant?
Resurrection fern, all the way.
All right, I mean, it is a cool plant.
Yeah.
All right, and so I suppose is there a specific aspect of the resurrection fern project that you haven't told us about yet that you've been working on lately?
Yeah, so I'm exploring it in different ways. So I look at the morphological characteristics. It has unique characteristics that actually helps it to tolerate water stress, and that has not been studied or known about. So figuring that out was really awesome. And I look at the biochemical aspect, and I do RNA-seq analysis, because there is no known reference genome.
Right.
So this is done all de novo. So it has its own challenges, and challenge is what is so exciting to me. It's like solving a puzzle. So that's the fun part.
All right, cool. And so let's get into the interview questions after the intro. So what's some of the best advice you've ever received?
I don't know whether it is how to put it in a really good way, but this is what I got from my advisor as well as from my brother. It was sugar-coated, but the way I translate is get your shit together and just focus. I mean, there are so many times that your research doesn't work, or your personal life, something or other, it's always, there is dejection, and it's always a good thing. Do not focus on that so much that you don't see the positive side. Like, do not lose that positive side of everything. No matter how hard life gets, there's always something good. So get your shit together and start working.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. No, that's good.
And it sticks with me every time.
All right. So the next question is, how do you learn new things?
By making a lot of mistakes. Like my experiment itself is an awesome example. Nothing works. Like, any protocol that is set up out there for different plants does not apply to my plant. Whatever is set up in my lab, or whatever other literature that I read, and I try to apply that on my plant, it never works. So I make a lot of mistakes. I've come to an extent where I sometimes have broken the instrument also, because if I don't know how to know to operate that instrument, I'll try a lot of things, and has happened where I was using HPLC, and the pressure went so high that the tubing just came off. So now I know what to do.
Right.
So at the end, I will remember my mistakes and not repeat it, and that is how I can progress.
Okay.
So that's how I work.
All right. Good. Okay. And then the last question that is, what do you do when the pipette is down and the computer is powered off?
Go running.
Okay. Yeah.
Forget everything and go running. I think that's the best way for me, at least, to be active the next day.
Yeah, no, I'm a runner too.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll second your notion on that. Absolutely.
It's my time, and just go for it.
Okay. And then the last thing we ask everyone is, if you could nominate someone to answer this interview series next, who would you like to nominate?
Oh, there's so many people that come on my mind. But there's, my friend, Jedidah, she is in this conference, and I would like to nominate her.
Okay. Okay. Oh, if you see her, tell her to send her this way tomorrow.
I will.
We're doing this from 10 to
She's
noon.
my roommate, so
Oh, okay.
I know where to find her.
Awesome. All right. All right, Susan, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ian.
Yep.